when we are saying that we don't want the money to fix any part, but we want the market to be fixed. Yes, the market to be fixed. But it is not the responsibility, the sole responsibility of the Prime Minister.
To fix part of our market?
No, I'm saying that it is not the sole responsibility. So if it is that he comes to us and wants to do something for the people of Manchester, let him do it. Right? Let him do it. And I was disappointed with my good mayor. My question is,
yes, sir.
The question is, if after 40 years of the People's National Party, having the
please allow the member to finish his question.
Misleading the chamber. And the match no right.
Allow the member to finish his question. I know why I want him to finish the question.
Thank you.
Without interrupting.
Remember now, some of our councillors here are young councillors.
Finish the question.
Yes, sir. Right.
What is this? What is that?
So I am saying,
Yes, after 40 years,
of the People's National Party having Central Manchester and 20 years, right, of having a PNP mayor, how are we now, right, to quarrel, right, with the leadership of this country to say that the market. My question is, why wasn't it done under the People's National Party? That is my question. Why wasn't it done under the People's National Party? No one asked that it was minister. Why wasn't it done? Why wasn't it done?
Thank you very much. If you really want to do something for the people of Mandeville, you would have looked at the market. And I tell you why. And it comes to ask the question why it wasn't done on another Oscar.
Yes.
Let me give you a little lesson because you probably never watched what in the operation. This Manchester Parish Council, our municipal corporation, took on itself a project led by Miss LaShawn Oil, who led a team of consultants, architects, accountants, and a whole lot, and we developed a project for the town of Mandeville. And I will tell you that the Cecil Charlton Park is the first section of the project. The second section was that of the market. The PMP lost the elections in 2016. Prior to that, the document went to OPM. It went to OPM. It went to TVJ. It went to the ministry under Minister Ascot, and it was followed through. The only thing that was left is for the Minister of Local Government to take the matter back to Cabinet so it could go to the public-private partnership. And up until now, that project cannot be found in the ministry because it was placed in 530. And I don't want to tell you who tell me that.